Ngayon, Piryong, gusto mo bang magtrabaho sa pulinarya ko o ayaw mo? Mamposo, try to understand me. You know, I am an independent funeral agent. Nag-i-English ka pa, tarantado ka, hindi ka naman Markano eh. Try to understand me again, Mamposo. I give my client to the highest bidder. You want me to suffocation you? Yeah, what suffocation? Suffocation kita, tarantado. Mamposo naman. English ka pa riyan. I'm just only explaining to you that I want to work hard to make money. Why? Because my family is double. Isang tanong, isang sagot. Gusto mo bang magtrabaho sa akin o ayaw mo? Yes. Oh. Okay, you go out and look for die. Ano yun? Ewan ko, English din yun. Tarantado ka, nahawa ko sa'yo eh. Oh. Sige!